Are you looking to spruce up your living space without breaking the bank? DIY home improvement projects are the perfect solution. In this video, we'll introduce you to simple and cost-effective projects that you can easily tackle on your own. Not only will these projects save you money, but they'll also allow you to personalize your living space to reflect your unique style and preferences. DIY home improvement projects are more than just a way to save money. They offer a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment that comes from completing a project independently. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of home improvement, there's a project out there for everyone. So grab your tools and get ready to unleash your creativity as we explore a variety of DIY home improvement projects that are sure to inspire and delight. Section 1. Upcycling furniture. Looking to give your home a fresh new look without spending a fortune on brand new furniture? Upcycling old furniture is a fantastic way to breathe new life into tired pieces and create stylish, personalized items for your living space. Select items like chairs, tables, or dressers that have good bones, but may be in need of a little TLC. These pieces can be easily refurbished to match your desired aesthetic and add a unique touch to your home decor. To upcycle furniture, start by sanding down any rough surfaces, going through the various grits until smooth, then giving the piece a fresh coat of paint in a color that complements your existing decor. You can also reupholster chairs or add new hardware to give them a modern twist. For a more personalized touch, consider stenciling a design onto the furniture or distressing the paint for a shabby chic look. By upcycling furniture, you not only save money, but also reduce waste by giving old items a new lease on life. If you would like instructional videos or more in-depth techniques from me, then let me know and I'll create a guide for you. Section 2. Creating accent walls. Looking to add a touch of drama and personality to your space? Creating an accent wall is a simple yet effective way to enhance a room and make a statement. By choosing a single wall to serve as a focal point, you can introduce a pop of color or texture that instantly transforms the look and feel of the space. When selecting which wall to accent, consider choosing one that draws the eye naturally, such as the wall behind a bed or a fireplace. Once you've chosen your wall, it's time to get creative with color or pattern. Paint the wall a bold hue that contrasts with the rest of the room, or opt for wallpaper to add a textured or patterned effect. For those who like to change things up frequently, removable wallpaper is a great option that allows for easy updates without the commitment of traditional wallpaper. Whether you prefer a subtle geometric pattern or a vibrant splash of color, creating an accent wall is a fun and cost-effective way to inject personality into your living space. So go ahead, pick a wall and let your creativity shine. Outdoor landscaping projects. Transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful and inviting oasis doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a few simple landscaping improvements, you can enhance your curb appeal and create a welcoming environment for outdoor relaxation and entertainment. From planting colorful flowers to installing outdoor lighting, there are plenty of ways to elevate your outdoor space. One of the easiest ways to add instant charm to your outdoor area is by planting low-maintenance flowers or shrubs. Choose varieties that thrive in your climate and require minimal upkeep to keep your garden looking vibrant and lush throughout the seasons. To create a visually appealing pathway in your yard, using materials like gravel, stepping stones, or mulch. A well-defined pathway not only adds structure to your landscaping, but also guides visitors through your outdoor space in a stylish and functional manner. For added ambience and safety during evening hours, install outdoor lighting fixtures strategically throughout your yard. Whether you opt for string lights, solar-powered lanterns, or pathway lighting, illuminating your outdoor space can create a cozy atmosphere and ensure visibility for nighttime activities. With these simple landscaping projects, you can elevate your outdoor space and enjoy the beauty of nature right in your own backyard. Conclusion: it's clear that there are endless possibilities for transforming your living space into a personalized haven without breaking the bank. By taking on simple and cost-effective projects, you not only save money, but also have the opportunity to infuse your home with your unique style and creativity. From upcycling furniture to creating accent walls and enhancing outdoor landscaping, Each project offers a chance to add character and functionality to your home. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of home improvement, there's a project out there waiting for you to tackle. I have experience in several areas of life, but I am also a seasoned house refurbishment professional and have a wealth of knowledge to share if you want it. Let me know in the comments and I can create more specific videos of the most popular requests. I may even appear in them. All I ask is that you could maybe help out this new channel with a like, or even a subscribe, and I will do my best to keep earning your views. Thank you for watching.